All right, so if you want to use Pika AI for free but don't really know where to start, yeah, don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, including how to log in and actually create your first AI video. So first, quick idea, the free version of Pika AI lets you generate videos using simple prompts, but yeah, it does come with some limits like credits or usage per day. So you kind of want to use it smartly. All right, let's start. Open Pika AI in your browser. And once you're there, you'll see the option to sign up or log in. Now, go ahead and log in using your email, or you can just use Google for faster access. Whatever works for you. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where everything happens. You'll see your workspace, your tools, and yeah, the generate option. Before you start, just make sure you're using the free version or your available credits because yeah, that's important. Now, let's create your first video. Go to the prompt box and type something simple and clear. For example, a cinematic scene of a futuristic city with neon lights and smooth camera movement. Then just click generate and Pika will start creating your video automatically. It might take a few seconds, so just wait a bit. Once your video is ready, you can preview it. And yeah, if you want, you can tweak some settings like style or motion depending on what's available in the free version. If the result isn't perfect, which happens sometimes, just go back, adjust your prompt a little, and try again. Finally, when you're happy with the result, just download your video or save it. And yeah, don't forget to keep an eye on your credits because the free plan has limits. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you use Pika AI for free, step by step. And uh, if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI tutorials coming soon.